Well, seems like this is another great day for an acapella delivery. This is going to be Cisco Solo by Trumpet. And maybe tomorrow I'll walk all the way to the Zuckerberg Library. I'm about 3/4 mile away from my house, another mile to the Zuckerberg Hospital. So it's about 2 miles of walk. Today I decided I want to do some work. Just finalize my and then I want to do some annotation on the file format, and then move on to parallel composition. With that, I will do acapella delivery solo。這夜我就在獨對夜半無人的空氣，串起你的無意仲以貌甜的好戲，若無做長做不得天地，睇着我直可天地。是在言語現場的可氣，只有請你的無意仲以某田的好戲，夜來便來伴我猜，或然但如默許我。隨即依人，家中最有從前與我的戲法，從飾演無聊美麗故事主人，飾演你就是個大羽毛田的好戲，夜來便來伴我猜，把電燈默許我。再去做沒有隨即依人，家中最有長情與我的戲法，從飾演我哋美麗故事主人，飾演你我哋最美的表人，你終是明白得一人，穿起你那無緣無煙當跟你脫韁。